right, today we're going to be focusing again on a portfolio, but this time it's going to be really business related. So we are going to be taking a template from Elementor, see what they have there for us. Found one really good, and we are going to be going through to see what they have created and how these are created in order to maximize the potential that a business portfolio has for customers, because at the end of the day you want to achieve a goal with your business website, right? Either lead generation, information, showcasing your work, selling your products, or just simply building brand awareness. So let's get into it. So we're going to be focusing on building a business website, and that means not necessarily a portfolio as we did in previous videos, but we're going to be building a business website for an actual business. For example, in our case, it's going to be an English pub, or you can build it for a hairstylist or an interior designer, for example, a consultant or something like that. So you have to think first before you build a website, what do you want to achieve with it? Okay, so I'm gonna go to templates. Yeah, we're gonna go here, right here, go to kit library, and we're gonna look through to see what we have. So it seems like they have added a few more templates. I think this is new and this is new, and this one that I saw the other day and I was like, wow, this is actually very nice, English pub, and a few others. Okay, so they're adding more and more kit websites, so you can, if you have Elementor Pro, use any of this and just add whatever you want to add to it. You can add GSAP, you can add a few elements of GSAP, don't make it super GSAPified to make it too crazy, but yeah, you can spice it up. So I'm gonna go and have a view of the demo of this English pub kit, and I instantly love it. It has all the information that you need at first sight. Okay, so let's scroll through. This is very nice, very nicely done, to be honest. I really like it. I like the simplicity, but also all the information is there. So if you're looking for something, it's already available on the first page. So let's go to the menu. All right, very cool. Yep. I would add some transitions between pages. I would also, nice, pop up. I would also add smooth scrolling, because I don't know if you can see when you scroll, the page is a little bit, you know what I mean? I'm too used probably by now with Lenis, and every website looks very laggy when you scroll, but that's just normal, I guess. All right, so this is very nice, very nicely done. Very nice, very nice. I like it. And let's see. It's very nicely done on different devices. I really like it. So let's have an overview of what we are getting with this kit. So we have pages here. Yeah, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pages. Well, actually 6, including the booking. Yeah, we have side parts, header, footer, and a 404 page, and 2 pop-ups. It's simple, but you can build on it. Yeah, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna apply the kit, and it will take some time. Sometimes it takes 2 minutes, sometimes it takes 5 minutes. It also depends on how big the kit is. Yeah, so I'll leave this on the screen to kind of like see the process, and I'm gonna come back. All right, so it seems that everything is in order. Let's just close this. And as you can see, right now we have all the pages. Yeah, let's go to pages, and everything has been imported for us. Plugins, if we go to plugins, of course we have Elementor and Elementor Pro, but of course you can add whatever plugins you need to add. Let's go to templates. Let's go to theme builder, and as you can see, everything has been imported. And if I go to, sorry, let's go again to pop-ups this time. We have the 2 pop-ups, one the discount pop-up and the menu pop-up. All right. Okay, so let's see what we have. Let's just open this in a new page. And it's exactly the way it was built on the Elementor kit library, yes? And of course, you just replace all these images with your own. You can add your own icons if you have better ones. You can, of course, and should add your own logo, your information, yeah, and your newsletter information here as well. So what I want to do to keep this kind of short and sweet, yeah, I'm just gonna grab my Lenny's code from another website. Yeah, I know, funny. And I am going to go to one of the pages of the website that we just built. Yeah, so I'm gonna go to site settings. This is where you have to add this custom CSS. So I'm gonna add the custom CSS in here. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to Elementor, go to custom code here, add new code, and I'm gonna say Lenny's. And this will be body end, okay? So let me grab the code from here. This website you've seen before, we built it in another video. Let's just go to my custom code, go to edit, and this is my Lenny's, okay? And if you had issues with Lenny's in the past and with the new update from Elementor is not working anymore, know that this code is. So we are gonna add this on the entire site, yes, because we want the whole site to be smooth. And let's visit the website again. And look at that. I don't know if you can tell, but it is much smoother. The whole experience now looks and feels more premium, I would say. That's the word. This is so cool. And how easy is this? Very nice. And I will have this kit in the description below for you to download. Keep in mind that it's fully optimized for mobile. And of course, you can add any GSAP effects you want to add to it, make it more striking, let's say that. But so far, I think we are on a good way and it has very good bones to develop on. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you'd like to see what else you can build with Elementor, watch this playlist here or here. And if you have gotten any value out of this video, please consider subscribing, liking, and sharing this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye.